Algebra 1. It is Friday. We have made it to the end of our NTI week 1, and I just wanted to come and tell you all a few updates and let you know what's happening and what to expect over the next the 10 remaining days that we have. Okay, so first off, Delta Math NTI days 6 through 15 have been posted on Delta Math, so you can go, you can move ahead, you can finish that work. So the rest of your assignments are on Delta Math. The next thing, I want to talk really quick about grades. So I have updated your grades in Infinite Campus, and I've put in the 2 quizzes that we took, the tests that we took, and NTI days 1, 2, and 3. A lot of you do not have grades that you're happy with right now. Do not panic. I know getting on Infinite Campus and seeing that when you're not even in school sounds kind of insane, and it can be frustrating and you can be worried, but first off, if your grade is low because of the quizzes or the test, then doing and completing these NTI days is really going to help that, okay? When I was inputting grades yesterday, I started noticing if your grade was really low, like in the D or the F range, every time I added in an NTI assignment that you had completed and got a 100 on, your grade went up about 3 points, okay? So just keep doing your NTI work, and when we get back to school, we can figure out what to do about retaking or raising those quiz grades and those test grades, okay? So keep doing that NTI work. Some of you did fine on the quizzes and the test, but you've not completed all of your NTI work, and so I've put zeros in, and that is also hurting your grade, okay? So NTI work is very important, and you just need to make sure you're keeping up with it and that you're not falling behind, and it's great for you to move ahead with NTI work, but make sure you don't fall behind, okay? If you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to ask. Someone the other day said, hey, I don't really know how to do NTI day 3, like it's just not making sense. So I went and I made videos of myself working out every type of problem you're gonna see on NTI day 3, okay? That is posted on Google Classroom under NTI work, and I just titled it Day 3 Help Videos. Okay, so if you're struggling with Day 3 also, you can go and watch those videos. If there at any point over the next 10 days, or think about the last 5 days, if there's something that you don't know how to do, or the Delta Math isn't making sense, message me on Remind, send me an email, and I can make a video of myself, I can talk about it, and I will do my best to explain it in a way that I think you'll get. Okay, so I'm still here, I'm still your teacher, I'm still a resource that you can use. Let's see. Another thing is that I know Delta Math doesn't always load on everyone's Chromebooks. We've had issues with that all year. If Delta Math is not loading on your Chromebook and you end up doing the worksheets just on your own piece of paper, if you end up solving problems on your own piece of paper, please send those to me. You can take pictures and email your work to me, or you can send me pictures on Remind of your work. Or if you want to even type up your answers in a Google Doc and share that with me, those are all acceptable ways to get that work to me so that I can give you a grade for it. Okay? Another thing is that this weekend, going back to grades, on Sunday, I will update grades for the first week of NTI work, so days 1 through 5. So what that means is that if you have not done days 1 through 5, I would do that before Sunday night, or you're going to have a lot of zeros in the grade book, okay? And if you're someone who did it on your own piece of paper because of technical difficulties or because you don't have internet, just send me that work by Sunday night, okay? Thank you. And let's see. Oh, one exciting thing is that starting next week, I am going to go live at least once a day. Okay, so probably once a day for Algebra 1, once a day for geometry. I'll kind of switch up the times every other day so that if you have something to do at 10 a.m. on Monday, but you're free at 2 p.m. on Tuesday, then you can join in live on Tuesday. And that's just an opportunity for us to have some contact and for you to ask me any questions you have, and getting immediate feedback or immediate response on how to do something. Okay, so I will post more about that on Google Classroom this weekend once I figure out logistically how I'm gonna go live and make that happen. But yes, so if you're interested in that, check Google Classroom this weekend. I'll have it posted by Sunday. That way you know what time to join in live on Monday. Okay, so I think that pretty much sums it up. Sorry it took 6 minutes for me to say all of this, but I hope you all are staying safe. I miss you. I miss our classroom. I wish we were in there together and getting to learn all of this together instead of me having to talk to you through a screen. But we will make do. We will persevere and we will get through this. And just remember that you can always reach out to me for anything that you need, and I will do my best to handle it and to help you. All right? So have a nice weekend, and I will see you all on Monday.